guys, what is up? Here we are playing a game of Ornn and 2v2v2. Let's see what we get. We got Light Warden. Critical healing. Do I want to go items or do I want to go... I'm kind of thinking here. Let's pick up Light Warden for now. Get some ability haste. I'm not gonna buy any items yet, just in case. We're gonna be Brutalizer. Just in case we're gonna be going for anvils. I think the next round is gonna decide whether or not we go for it or not. We'll find out. They are splitting up, which is good. 3, 2, 1. He's 1 health. That was 1 health a few times. Nice. There we go. First round, first dub. And now we gotta see what kind of guest we're getting here. It's gonna be Draven. Obviously, we're gonna go Anvil. It's gonna be Zin. We're gonna go Anvil. It's gonna be Cassiopeia. Maybe Anvils. We'll see. Ugh. Kinda sucks. I think if we get an auction sacrifice, we still go anvils. If it's Vlad, it depends on what augment we get. But like, at least we have the option right now, so... I kind of feel like if you go Ornn, you kind of have to go anvils in a way. Center of the universe? Yeah, let's go anvils. We'll go anvils. 1880, 165 health. 16 armor. What the hell? I mean, I'm kind of fine with this. Kind of okay with it. Everyone is like... Everyone is center of the universing now. Since it scales with like AD and AP, I feel like anvils is like the way to go. Ethereal weapon and rabble route. Ethereal weapon is kind of interesting on Ornn. Nice. Nice. 609 damage on his center, damn. Kinda wild. I think his early game is good enough for us to like kinda live off of it. We also have a decent amount of rerolls left, so like we can use that for autocasts. The only downside is like we would have to find lightning rod right away. If we don't find lightning rod, there's no use for us to go for more autocasts, but we'll see what we get. Yeah, we're gonna hear a lot of that sound effect. Oh man, I don't want any of these. Force of Entropy is a potential. Book of Starry Night, Hemomancer, Warmogs, nope. I feel like... Okay, wait, let me see. Jinx. Which one do I get? I feel like Force of Entropy is probably the way to go here. Although they do have a lot of... you know what? For this. Take the magic pen. Magic damage, right? Yep. Everything is awesome. Did my boy just get one shot? Okay. 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 Damn. Oh, this guy's lethality, that's why. Good. All good. We don't have to like care much about one lost round. Doesn't really matter. That touched Nami. I mean 45 armor is pretty nice. 80 AP, lethality. I mean the lethality is a really good roll. 15 magic pen. Let's get the health here. Oh my god. Guess we go for the magic pen here. It's already a prismatic one right there. Is anyone else in this game going augments? I mean anvils? I don't think so. Master Yi with that. Gonna suck. Oh shit. I just... I just got that. Nice. Boom. Very nice. I'm kind of okay going Shadow Runner, I guess. Does this count as a dash? It does. Slow and steady Jinx. Oh, lethality Jinx. Interesting. Interesting. That is strange. I'm pretty sure I hit her there, but doesn't matter, I guess. Okay. XD. What's up, Greg? Watch your vids every day? Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Yeah, it's gonna suck, man. It's gonna suck. I don't know why Riot doesn't want to keep Arena around. I think we go ability haste here. Grab the attack speed, I guess. We've been kind of committing on the lethality and the magic penetration. We'll see what happens. It is gonna suck. Oh, 28 hours? Oh, really? So I can play tomorrow as well? Nice. Trying to get as many videos in reserve as possible before it leaves. What the? I took a lot of damage from that. It's okay though. 1v1 Kha'Zix versus Echo. Kha'Zix wins that. EQ. Nice. It's huge. A serve beyond that, dude. Doing work. Doing work. We have a lot of Anvil, so we can get our thing soon, hopefully. 3,000 damage reduced from Cloak of Starry Night. So far. Not exactly super amazing for us, but not bad. Not bad. Oh fuck yeah, I'll take that gold, I think. Yeah, I'll take the gold here. More anvils, more pleasure. Dude, we just got 2 times plus 500 gold. That is so humongous, dude. That is actually huge. Let's get some more armor. Just got 2 plus 500 around. Holy moly. That's gonna be 1,000 gold per round. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, true. I mean, if they just keep this one around and then just like take it down for like a week or something before a new one comes out, that would be great. Instead of just taking it down for like forever. Is that a hit? Oh yeah, I'm unstoppable, bitch. Seconds on ult. Oh, there she is. Kaboom. She gone. Alright, I'll take my plus 1,000 gold now. I'll take my plus 1,000 gold. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with that. I want to know how much Light Warden has shielded us for so far. I really hope they add stats on everything soon. I want to see the stats, bro. There's my 1,000 gold. Perseverance is pretty big. Yeah, let's get Perseverance here. Fire 2 anvils, 2 randoms. And armor and lethality is what we got. I'll take the attack speed here. We have 52 magic pen, 52 flat magic pen, and 18% penetration, and then 41 lethality. Oh, she has Dark Blessing, Death Touch, and Firefall. She doesn't have Lightning Rod though, which is nice. Damn. We have to get the Nami down. Shot Kha'Zix. No. Never mind. Never mind. The magic pen, dude. I'm pretty much dealing through damage right now. What the? Dude, I haven't liked a single game of that Riot made except for Arena. 68%. I'll take it. I'll take it. Dude. I can't say no to that gold. That is so huge. Dude, I have like fucking, I have so much fucking gold right now. Dude, I don't even know. 840 times 3. 1600, 2400. Get like... That's insane. Dude, we're gonna get the fucking Anvil record here, dude. Look at the damage I'm dealing to this guy. Holy crap.
Another step toward victory.
I have 112 lethality and I have 114 flat magic pen and 27% magic pen. That's crazy. That is crazy. Look at that, I have 3,700 gold right now. Might as well get some crit chance.
Gather up your coinage, fighters. Let's add some gold to the pot.
Dude, that is insane. Holy fuck. What?
Enough idling.
I also have 568. I've never had this much gold in arena before.
Battle. Torch the battleground.
This is fucking wild. This is so wild. Look at my gold.
Scurried off. The cowards.
Tank it or leave it? Or blunt force? I guess I'll grab the tank it or leave it. 15 magic pen, 2 random stats, 10 crit chance. Dude, we're actually fucking juiced up like crazy. Look at my damage. What the fuck is this? What did he even die from? What? Oh my god, stop running away. Stop running.
Mind the ring.
Come back, Scion.
Skillful triumph.
Look at that! That's crazy, dude!
Has been eliminated.
Look at my gold! Look at my gold! I'm gonna have to be quick with this one. Jesus. Okay, that's 37 anvils now. These stats. These stats are wild. I don't even have Omnivamp yet. I thought I had Omnivamp. But I don't have Omnivamp. So what am I healing so much from? Or whatever. Oh. Stop juking me, boy. Huh? Jesus, this is fucking insane. We can't do a thing. This is actually so wild. Oh man. I'll grab some attacks. Wait, where did my other anvil go? Max roll on that. I mean, I guess I'll get some more of this. The randoms. Sure. I guess. I have like a million attack speed as well now. Oh my lord. This is gonna be kind of wild. 45 anvils right now. Oh my god, almost died. Oh, this is so funny. Oh my god. Did it cuck me out of another anvil or what? This is funny as hell, dude. Dude, I'm full committed to this shit. I have 53 anvils. "53 anvils, boys. That's pretty insane. What the? Okay. Yeah, my Kha'Zix is fine. I'll help him out. Boom. GG. What a fucking game. That was wild as hell. 305. That's crazy, dude. Hey, this reduced 22k? Kind of insane. You guys enjoyed this game?